Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlink Facebook from Call of Duty Mobile. In order to unlink your Call of Duty Mobile with Facebook, the first thing you need to do is to log out of your Call of Duty Mobile on your device. Go to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the gear button. Now from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Legal and Privacy from the left-hand side menu. Click on the Log Out button at the bottom right corner in order to log out of your account. Click on OK to confirm in the pop-up. After you are logged out of your Call of Duty mobile application, go ahead and open up your Facebook app from your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account, and after you are in, click on the menu button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the menu option, click on the gear button at the top right and scroll down and click on Apps and Website under your activity. Find Call of Duty Mobile in the list and tap on it. Now click on Remove from the option and click on Remove once again. Soon after you do that, you will be able to unlink Facebook from Call of Duty Mobile. Unlinking your Facebook account might affect your progress and data, so make sure you proceed with caution. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.